The predominant immunoglobulin transferred to the neonate through colostrum in domestic animals is IgE, IgM, IgA, IgG. And the correct answer is option D, that is IgG. Which of the following infectious diseases is characteristically associated with the development of lifelong immunity following natural infection? Diphtheria, tetanus, measles, yellow fever. And the correct answer is option C, that is measles. From a biochemical perspective, interferons belong to which category of biological molecules? Nucleic acids, lipids, lipoproteins, glycoproteins. And the correct answer is option D, that is glycoproteins. Which class of immunoglobulin has the ability to cross the placental barrier and provide passive immunity to the fetus? IgE, IgA, IgG, IgM. And the correct answer is option C, that is IgG. The cells responsible for the synthesis and secretion of antibodies in the body are B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, monocytes, red blood cells. And the correct answer is option A, that is B lymphocytes. Transstadial in transmission, in which an infectious agent is retained by a vector through different developmental stages, is most commonly observed in which type of diseases? Viral diseases, protozoan diseases, bacterial diseases, cancer. And the correct answer is option B, that is protozoan diseases. The pattern of disease distribution that describes variation according to geographical location or place is termed as temporal, concomitant, sporadic, spatial. And the correct answer is option D, that is spatial. A sudden and rapid occurrence of a disease affecting a large number of birds within an avian population is termed as epidemic, pandemic, hypornotics, sporadic. And the correct answer is option C, that is hypornotics. Hydatid disease caused by Echinococcus granulosus is classified under which category of zoonosis? Saprozoonosis, reverse zoonosis, cyclozoonosis, all of the above. And the correct answer is option C, that is cyclozoonosis. Which of the following diseases of chickens is transmitted through an arthropod vector? Avian influenza, spirochetosis, coccidiosis, chronic respiratory disease, or CRD. And the correct answer is option B, that is spirochetosis. Which of the following diagnostic methods does not belong to the group of immunodiagnostic tests? PCR or polymerase chain reaction, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay or ELISA, heme agglutination and heme agglutination inhibition tests, serum plate agglutination test. And the correct answer is option A, PCR. In cohort epidemiological studies, the term cohort refers to a set of individuals sharing a common characteristic and followed over time. What does the word cohort specifically mean? Population, group, risk, variable. And the correct answer is option B, that is group. Which of the following viral diseases of poultry is of significant zoonotic importance, capable of transmission from birds to humans? Infectious bursal disease, hydropericardium syndrome, avian influenza or bird flu, chicken infectious anemia. And the correct answer is option C, that is avian influenza. The terminology referring to the process of inducing protective immunity against infectious diseases was first introduced by which scientist? Joseph Lister, Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, that is Edward Jenner. The first successful vaccine developed against fowl cholera is credited to which scientist? Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, none of the above. And the correct answer is Option A, that is Louis Pasteur. The presence of a cell wall is a structural feature shared by which of the following microorganisms? Bacteria, rickettsia, fungi, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Which of the following organisms is composed of eukaryotic cells? Bacteria, rickettsia, fungi, all of the above. And the correct answer is option C, that is fungi. Bacteria exhibiting a curved or comma-shaped morphology are classified as Vibrio, Spirocheta, Spirilla, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, that is Vibrio. Based on its morphology, Escherichia coli is classified as which type of bacterium? Cocci, Bacilli, Coccobacillus, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, that is Bacilli. Membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum are absent in which of the following? Bacteria, virus, virions, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Teichoic acids are structural components of the cell wall of which group of bacteria? Gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, both A and B options, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, that is gram-positive bacteria. The intracytoplasmic inclusion bodies characteristically observed in epithelial cells infected with cowpox virus are known as Negri bodies, Bullinger bodies, Guarneri bodies, Henderson-Peterson bodies. And the correct answer is option C, that is Guarneri bodies. The characteristic intracytoplasmic inclusion bodies observed in epithelial cells affected by foulpox are known as Negri bodies, Bullinger bodies, Guarneri bodies, Henderson-Peterson bodies. And the correct answer is option B, that is Bullinger bodies. among domesticated animal species, which is considered the most susceptible to infection with Bacillus anthracis. Cattle, sheep, horses, goats. And the correct answer is option B, that is sheep. The infectious respiratory disease of poultry known as fowl coryza is caused by which bacterial organism? Haemophilus gallinarum, Pasteurellum multocidum, Mycoplasma gallisepticum, Salmonella pulorum. And the correct answer is option A, that is Haemophilus gallinarum.